spin flip GPS test. 60, 59. All right, go up to about 65. Put it on some cruise control. Get us up to about 65. This is on a drill, this GPS. Is that 65? Well, my GPS say 64.8. Well, I don't say 65. I say 65 on there. It say 64.8. Well, I guess that's good enough. But 65, 64.8. All right. Why? Go up. There you go, 65. 65.1. 65.1. All right, I'm gonna start spinning. Oh shit, the light went off. Took too long. 65.1. That's where it's at. You know, 65.1, 65. 65.1, 65. Spin flip does not add speed to the GPS. I'm out. It just went up. I found it was going faster. All right, we're about to exit up here. Let's see, turn this light on. I know we ain't gonna be able to go that fast because of traffic. So let's see. I'm doing. I need probably got to speed up some, and then put the car in cruise control. 58. Let's see if they get this to 50. 59. Okay, stay there. No, 60. Oh, you made it to 60. My GPS ain't made it to 60 yet. There we go. GPS at 60. Car at 60. GPS at 60.1. Car at 60. GPS at 60.1. About to start spinning. Spin the drill. Let's see. GPS at 60.1. Car still at 60. GPS at 60.1. Spin flip does not add miles per hour to the GPS. I'm out.